Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and we have the F-22 Raptor from Eachine, sent to us by our friends at banggood.com. So this is a little pusher jet, got a little brushless motor at the back. It's got roll control, ailerons and pitch control, which is nice. I'm intrigued. I know we're going to fly this out today now for the first test, but I'm hoping it flies quite slow so that we can fly indoors as well. But let's give it a go. Just to share that on the transmitter, as with a lot of these models now, you've got expert, mid and beginner mode and an aerobatic button as well. So I guess in beginner and mid mode it's going to limit my ability to roll and loop and everything. In expert mode that is taken off. So let's chuck it in the air and see how it flies. Ready, James?
Yeah. What mode is that on, Dom?
That's mid mode. I thought I'd do that because with mid mode you get larger throws on the control surfaces. So I'm just getting used to that. It is a little bit sensitive the first time you do it.
So Dom, you said it had a brushless motor.
Yeah.
What size cell is it? Do you know?
It's a one cell. High alpha. So that's beginner mode, which makes it a lot smoother. Turns down the roll rate, and then if I flick it into expert mode, then I can do anything I want basically. You keeping up with it, James?
Just about. You're giving me a good workout.
Oh! So there you go, actually took the nose off. Not surprising, but you can just glue that back on. But highly aerobatic, but nice and stable in the beginner mode. But the mid and expert modes, particularly the expert mode, turns it into a wild animal. But it'll be fun to see if this flies well indoors. I didn't try the aerobatic button, didn't really need to do that. I think it's a bit overkill for this. You can just put it in expert mode and loop and roll it as much as you want. But it is quite sensitive on those mid and expert modes. So the link is in the video description. Look it up on banggood.com for the price. It's quite a lot of fun for a little foamy. Thanks for watching this one. Thanks for James on camera, and we'll see you next time. See ya. High alpha.
I felt that.
You probably didn't keep up with that.